61A, lecture number 27. Announcements. Homework 7 will be posted today. It's due Thursday, and it involves programming in a new programming language called Scheme. Now that you're done with midterm 2, you've learned what there is to learn about Python. We'll touch on a few more features as we go, but not many. Now we're going to focus on other programming languages and how programming languages work in general. It turns out that one programming language does not give you the perfect way of expressing the answer to every problem in the world. Instead, different programming languages have different advantages, and they're well suited to different kinds of things. So the first one we'll look at is called Scheme. People still use it, although it's primarily a teaching language. And one of its cool properties is that you can basically learn it all in a day. So that's what we'll do in this lecture. We'll continue to learn about Scheme on Monday, and then we'll talk about how to build an interpreter for the Scheme language after that. Here we go.